Hello guys, welcome back to another lecture in this course. In this video, we shall be looking into nested dictionaries. And the nested dictionaries, it's a dictionary that contains other dictionaries as values. And this allows you as a machine learning and AI programmer to create a hierarchical data structure where you can access and manipulate nested data using multiple levels of keys. Let us take a look into the example of nested dictionary. So a nested dictionary, for instance, you are having, let us use a list of students, okay, or students' names. So let's say student underscore names. You are having a list of student names in a dictionary. So these student names, you are going to assign them to an ID number. So let's say ID underscore, let us put this as ID number 01. That's their key. On this key now, you are going to put values as a dictionary. Value as a dictionary, where you're going to say student names and their values, again, they are going to be in a dictionary. Then you are saying name, and the value for the name here, say Fanuel. Another key, age, say 45. Then we put a comma here. Then we add another ID. Let's say ID underscore 02. We add again another dictionary as elements. Name, the key, Jonathan. Let's say John. The value is John. Another key, age, 15. Then let's just add our last element here, our ID number 3. ID underscore 03. So we should make sure that we enclose everything. Now the value as a dictionary, the dictionary key here, name, let's say Peter. Another key, which is age, 20. So these are the only elements that we are going to add in this dictionary. What we need to do now is to print the dictionary. Let us print, so student, print student underscore name with an S, names. Let us run the dictionary. So as you can see here, this is how we design or how we create a nested dictionary where we are using dictionary as values, as you can see here. So to get access to the values, obviously we can use get method, or we can say get underscore name is equals to our dictionary student underscore names. Then we filter what we need. So we pass the key here, which is the dictionary ID number 1. So in the key, we need to get the names only. So we have to put the multi-level. Then we need only the names. Then we print get underscore name. Then we run our line of code. Then we get the name, and the name here is Fanuel. So this is how we get the data, and we can even modify. We can modify to add a new value there if you want, or you can even merge the dictionaries. To merge dictionaries, it means you are supposed to have 2 dictionaries. For example, in this case, we are having students dictionary and we are having student names dictionary as 2 dictionaries. So let's say hash merge two dictionaries, e.g. we are having students, and students underscore names here. So to merge these two dictionaries, students, this first dictionary that we are having, students dot update, we want to merge it with our second dictionary, which is student underscore names. Then we print. So we are updating this dictionary with this dictionary. So we have to print this dictionary. So let us print students. Right. As you can see, the students dictionary, it is the dictionary that we added sparks here, this dictionary students. So now we have merged it with another dictionary here. So we can see that from there we have added ID1, ID2, and ID3. So this is how we merge dictionaries with the Python. I think this is all for this lesson. Thank you for watching. See you on the next lesson. Bye-bye.